And let's do some matte top coat, everyone. Here for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to using the pink, just one colors. I will go back in to share with you how I do is just one color fusion ink. Can I get the black gel painting? So it's only I need if you are working on the marble ink nails, and then if you have a lot of troubleshooting, like why is your marble ink is keep bleeding and it doesn't, every time you're touching a solutions or alcohol or acetone, it's just like it's just bleeding it out. So I will share with you how you can do that really easy. And probably we can put some of our springtime here stickers. I have it all prepared over here. It's so much fun right now. Then we can do with, oh, this is like cute flowers. Okay, let's see what we can get with this. And this is the kind of a really is a strong background, but it's okay because the fusion ink is really pigmented. So I am going to apply like more than just one coat. You can do it so many coat if you want to. I would do like 3 or 4. Let it set, it's still wet. Manifestation, Lavius, thank you. Hi Stevie. Hello everyone. Hope everyone have a great Friday. Great. Let it set for a little bit. You can do more than just one colors. You can do more than just one colors. I'm just doing passionate. And I don't even need any brushes at all. Fusion ink crystal clear is a perfect. Hi Josie, it's a perfect solution. Hey Sanisha, hey, how are you? Whitney, you are so doing this. Okay, so now I'm gonna move this one so you can see it. So pick up my, really, I'm wiping up a lot off of the excess clear, and I'm just using really just little minimums amount of crystal clear. Wipe it off. You can see that my pink ones right there, the residue of pink ones, I don't want those back into my bottle because that is will make, first, if you're using a lot of solution, I don't know what solution you do, show us what you're using. Then if you have question, we can always assist you with anything. So I'm going to wipe it off before I dip it back in. You see how I create the veins is super easy, right? And then you can using the same thing. And so wherever you want your vein to be, you're gonna do it right on the side and work really gentle. Like basically have really minimums of my solutions. I don't using a lot because that will make it bleeding the color first of all, and then by wiping off all that residues before I dip my brush in back into crystal clear will help so much, because I don't like contaminating the colors back into my bottle. So every time I picked up the crystal clear to clean the veins, it's give me a truly just like that, so you don't bleeding like the color from the pink to like purples or blue or some other colors you didn't expecting, you know. So good, I just want a veins like that. That's good. I want something that's just different this time. And let's do some of the glue veins. So then you want to see the veins with the gel painting or with the chamfer foil gels. If I have gel painting, that I have this gel painting in jet black, and then gel painting in gold. Look at that, it's from the pink. Crystal clear works nice. Thank you so much, Whitney. Okay, let me do the gel painting in jet black, and I'm gonna using in gel painting in golden touch. It's really pigmented. I believe the leads right here just for your preference. Okay, so this is air dry. You don't have to do anything at all. Black gel. Okay, great. My twin tip brush. Foxy Loxy, hey, how are you? Nearby JZ, hello, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're first time tuning in with Glitz accessories and such, welcome to our live tutorial. So I'm going to give it a little bit. Just make it like a dimension for the gold that we're going to add it on later. How everyone doing? Are you hanging there tight? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's so excited to see everyone. It's nice to see everyone to tuning in. So I know that everyone doing great, and I'm just like really loosen up my painting, just like if you using it just like really feather touch. I think I'm good with that because I don't want to do it too much. It would take it away from the nice of here for 60 seconds. Thank you, Digis. Here for 60 seconds. Close that jet black. I'm gonna clean this. Here's a question for a lot of you who are asking how I clean. Can I get this one? My brush. First, you're gonna wipe off this first from the piece of paper, and using a no wipe top coat, just little drop, and you're gonna just swirl your brush. So then you're seeing that it was dissolving all the colors off from brush. From a black, it's just release it, and now you need to do is just wipe it off and cap on. Do not use acetone or alcohol, as it's gonna ruin your brush really fast and dry your bristle out. So I am going to using the goldens right there. This golden painting. You close this one. And now just add a little bit of your gold on the top. Just give it like a little bit dimension. Just a little bit, okay? Because I don't want to completely cover the black veins. I would give you a little bit of hint without a black. Could you be happy with this? Then now I am going to cure for another 60 seconds. And we can do a top coat for this. The Leilani acrylic brush, what you need to do is after you clean, you apply the liquid powder, you finish this. What you need to do is to dip in the monomers and remove all the excess acrylic that might stick between your acrylic brush. So you want to remove that first before you let your brush to set, because otherwise